Feeling unsure about your future? No problem. At Vancouver International College in vibrant Vancouver, Canada, we create opportunities. Our co-op program is a game changer for international students. It's all about opening doors.
Hey everyone, I am Antonio, I am 19 and I am originally from Montenegro, and this was my first co-op experience here in Vancouver.
Join our dynamic co-op program. You'll dive into hands-on learning experiences and engage with diverse industries. On this journey, you'll discover your passions, strengths, and the challenges you are keen to tackle. At our college, your options are endless, and the co-op program is just the beginning.
The coolest part was meeting people from all around the world and working on real projects that made a difference. I think it's given me a lot of confidence and some real-world skills that I can use in my next steps. I will continue my education on Langara College to study design and architecture. And in the end, I want to say a big thank you to all my SSLC colleagues and to everyone this summer. Arigato and Jem. I think this is good.